Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this particular look, which is a simple festive makeup look. It's super chic and so simple yet glamorous to create. I got all these products from Myntra, the ultimate beauty destination. All thanks to them for kindly sponsoring this video. These are my holy grail makeup products, so let's get started. Guys, now that we have tackled the hair, I'm gonna start my face with this Sugar Grand Finale Setting Mist. If you want your makeup to last, make sure that you prep your skin really well. So I've prepped my skin using this serum, and then I've used L'Oreal moisturizer as well. I'm gonna use L'Oreal True Match foundation, and this is available on Myntra. I'm gonna take out a few pumps, and we're never gonna forget the neck. We wanna look all blended. I don't know if मेरा makeup करते हुए accent कहाँ से आता है. I really don't know. Foundation is very lightweight and buildable. Now we're gonna move to the concealer. I'm using L'Oreal Full Wear concealer. If you know me, you guys know I love this concealer so much, and ये हमेशा out of stock होता है हर जगह मेरे shade में. Definitely try this one out, but it's available on Myntra. I feel like concealer is one product which lifts your face and makes you feel awake, and one product that I'm really loving these days. Sometimes I even go ahead and use concealer near my mouth area, and we're gonna blend it really nicely so that there are no rough lines. Blend, blend, and blend away your problems. Now we're gonna set everything in place. There's one more trick that I learned from, I think, James Charles on YouTube. Make sure after every application you use a setting spray. It will set your makeup really nicely and it won't budge throughout the night. I'm gonna do my eye makeup now. I'm using this palette and I'm only gonna take the neutral shades. I'm gonna take this one right here. I think I always go for browns, so I'm gonna go and add some color. I'm gonna take this palette. This is the closest shade we have here. I'm gonna use setting spray on the brush so that we have lots of pigment. Try it out. Now we're gonna blend everything really nicely. Now I'm gonna take this shade and I'm gonna use my fingers because it's easier. Now I'm gonna use Lash Sensational Mascara. Guys, I take 20,000 years to apply mascara because lashes makes all the difference. Guys, what are you watching these days? I've started watching Manifest and I'm loving the show. I loved Manifest के सारे पहले वाले season भी. I was eagerly waiting for it. Also, I finished Ugly Love. मैंने ऐसे सारी stories पे Instagram, Snapchat पे अगर मुझे कोई follow करता है मैंने वहाँ भी update करा था. I think I'm into fictional books now. After I read Ugly Love, it kept me hooked and I completed the book in 3 days, like 2-3 days. I love how the whole look is coming together. Now we're gonna bring back life to our face by using some blush. Much better, much better. Take any bronzer. We're gonna contour, and don't worry if you mess it up. We're gonna use a sponge and fix this. Now I'm gonna use my favorite highlighter, Maybelline Master Chrome. I love it. I love this highlighter. Oh, let's do one thing. I'm gonna spray my sponge, and then I'm gonna use this sponge for the highlighter, and it makes it stay for so long. And I'm just tapping it into my skin really nicely, blending it. Last but not the least, I'm gonna use this lipstick. Guys, I love Maybelline products. I think that's budget friendly. They do the job. And they have really nice mascaras, eyeliners, plus really nice lipstick shades. Like the one I'm wearing right now, this is like my go-to whenever I don't know. Like I usually go for browns. I think I love this shade and it completely ties the look together. Also, it's not like out there. One more tip, if you are doing your makeup, agar aap colors, eyes mein zyada poppy color rakh rahe ho, make sure that your lipstick is nude. And if your lips are too loud, make sure that your eyes are subtle. That's one thing that I usually follow. Until unless you have some special occasion or special theme or you really want to go full out, I make sure that I balance it out because my outfit is also very like heavy. And we're gonna again finish it off with the setting spray. So glad Myntra has all of this and more. So go ahead and do your festive makeup shopping with ease and get the best products from Myntra right away. Hope you like this look as much as I did. Let me know in the comment section below and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.